Hey everyone, welcome to Defense Shows. I Kiran. So in today's class, as usual, we will learn new words with their meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and after that sentence formation. The series is useful for all defense aspirant and people who are preparing for competitive examination. So let's get started. See, the first word is precision. Precision एक noun है which means exactness. Alright, precision is a noun which means exactness. जो क्या होता है accurate होता है, accuracy से होता है और correctness होता है. Alright, so इसका opposite means antonyms क्या हो जाएगा? It would be inaccuracy. ठीक है, means exactness is not present there, accuracy is not present there. Alright, now from the sentence, the deal was planned and executed with military precision. Precision यहाँ क्या है? Exactness. ठीक है, तो जो डील थी वो planned और उसको कैसे implement किया गया? With military precision, with military correctness. Alright, so the next word is improbable. Probability होती है, ठीक है, probability is like क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है. ऑलराइट, सो इम इसमें रूट वर्ड है तो इम्प्रॉबेबल क्या हो जाएगा? अनलाइकली. ठीक है, संभावनाएं कम है जिसकी, इम्प्रॉबेबल सिचुएशन है. ऑलराइट, नॉट लाइकली एंड डाउटफुल. नाउ लेट्स सी द ऑपोजिट. इट वुड बी प्रोबेबल, means possible. Now let's see the example. This account of events was seen by the jury as most improbable. Means the account and this account of events was seen by the jury as most unlikely, not likely and doubtful. Alright, now moving toward the next word, it is mockus. Mockus is an adjective because it is showing the quality which means sentimental. Sentimental means over emotional. Alright, emotional ठीक है but over emotional and over sentimental. ठीक है, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Mockus. Alright, now let's see the opposite, calm and cool. Now let's see the example. He paid a maquis ode to parenthood. Means he paid a over emotional ode to the parenthood. ठीक है. Now let's see the next word. It is reinstate. Reinstate मतलब क्या होता है? फिर से किसी चीज़ को restore करना. Alright, ये क्या है? क्रिया है, verb है. Now let's see the synonyms. These are put back and replace. These are put back. ठीक है, आई टोल्ड यू किया क्या है? रीस्टोर करना, फिर से रखना, मीन्स पुट बैक करना और किसी चीज़ को किसी दूसरी चीज़ से रिप्लेस कर देना. रिप्लेस मतलब ये होता है. नाउ लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. बिफोर एग्जांपल लेट्स सी द ऑपोजिट वर्ड. इट इज़ एबॉलिश करना. ठीक है, एबॉलिश वहाँ बिल्कुल ही बंद कर देना. ऑलराइट, सो सी द एग्जांपल. द यूनियन थ्रेटन स्ट्राइक एक्शन इफ ओवन वाज नॉट reinstated. Means not restored. Alright, alright. Let's see the next word. It is dignified. This word has been derived from the word dignity. Dignified मतलब क्या है? Stately, noble, courtly. Alright, प्रतिष्ठा जो हमें बोलते हैं. It is also an adjective. Now let's see the opposite. It is undignified. वो क्या है? वर्क क्या है? डिग्निफाइड नहीं है, स्टेट उससे स्ट्रेटली नहीं है, नोबल नहीं है एंड उसमें क्या है? कर्टसी नहीं है. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स सी द before I have told you opposite word. Now let's see the example. She maintained a dignified silence. Means she maintained a stately and noble and courtly silence. Alright, now moving toward the next word. Is reluctant. Reluctant मतलब क्या होता है? Unwilling, not interested, disinclined and unenthusiastic. ठीक है, मीन्स में क्या है? इंटरेस्ट हो रहा है, मीन्स पर्सन इज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन एनीथिंग, तो क्या बोलते हैं? रिलैक्टेंट. ऑलराइट, you can say how reluctant you are. Okay, now let's see the opposite is willing, interested, inclined. ठीक है, now let's see the example. He is always reluctant in trying anything new. Means she or he is always unenthusiastic, unwilling and disinclined, disinterested in trying new thing. Alright, now let's see the next. It is discard. Discard is a verb which means throw away. ठीक है, discard the garbage हम बोलते हैं. ठीक है, thrown out, get rid of हम बोलते हैं. the waste must be thrown out and discarded according to the biomedical waste management policy. Alright, so opposite would be keep. ठीक है, अपने पास रखना या अपने सराउंडिंग में रखना. Now let's see the example. She bundled up the clothes she had discarded. Means she bundled up the clothes which she had thrown away. ठीक है, now let's see the next word. It is phenomenal. What a phenomenal change you have. ठीक है, ये क्या है? एन एडजेक्टिव है विच मीन्स एक्सेप्शनल, ऑसम, एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी एंड रिमार्केबल. रिमार्केबल मीन्स विच यू रिमेंबर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. ठीक है, and extraordinary more than ordinary, ठीक है, normal से ज़्यादा होना. So opposite would be ordinary, normal, ठीक है. Now let's see the example. The town expanded at a phenomenal rate means the town expanded at a exceptional rate. All right. So the next word is 45. 45 मतलब क्या होता है? It is like strengthen, energize करना, ठीक है. उसमें क्या बोलते हैं? Invigorate करना. वो क्या होता है? Fortify करना, किसी चीज़ को मजबूत and strong बनाना. Now let's see the opposite is sedate करना, ठीक है. Sedate, sedation here means there is no activity, ठीक है. तो energy तो होगी नहीं. All right. So now let's see the example. She is fortified by her religious faith means she is strengthened by her religious faith. All right. Next is rife. Rife is an adjective which means widespread, किसी चीज़ को फैला देना, ठीक है. So synonym would be it is जनरल कॉमन. अगर कोई चीज़ फैली है तो वो क्या है? बहुत कॉमन है, ठीक है, हर जगह पाई जाती है. लेकिन ऑपोजिट वर्ड है स्कैरसिटी बोलते हैं, स्कैर्स बोलते हैं, कमी होना किसी चीज़ की. और राइट, नाउ लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. मेन Calvinism was rife in medicine means male Calvinism was very common in medicine. All right, so here we have completed the new words of today. Hope you like this session. In case you like this session, don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe our channel, and be safe. Thank you. Keep learning. Jai Hind.